Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to put you through on how you can swap your MiniPepe. Your MiniPepe, how you can swap it for BNB. All right. If you are a returning subscriber, I say welcome. And then if this is your first time on my channel, I say welcome also. But try and hit the subscribe button. Try to follow this channel. Here you get to see contents on how to move around on the crypto space and the information coming to you, airdrops and other things like that. Okay, so I'm going to put you through on how to swap your MiniPepe for BNB. Okay, so we have to go to that browser, then search for ticoswap.com. Yeah, ticoswap.com. So you see it loads straight away. Now this is Trust Wallet definitely, so I'm going to choose Trust Wallet, and it's asking for my seed phrase. Definitely you should have your seed phrase for your wallet. If you do not have this, I'm sorry, you may not be able to proceed from here. So I'm going to paste my seed phrase here, and then I will try to authorize to I'll try to import my wallet now. So you have to wait. So we have to wait for it to load. It's importing the wallet. So once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to the webinar channel to keep us going, and then to keep so we can keep bringing these posts or these videos to you. And also you can engage in the comment section below. In the description you also find a link to my WhatsApp group where airdrops are being dropped on the daily. Airdrops are being dropped, and then also links to mining apps. So everything is a very busy WhatsApp group where you find things you actually need, and you'll be able to also network with people. And then you also get airdrops. The moment they are being dropped, we drop the information on the group, so you can follow up. Okay, so we wait for this to load. Please hit the subscribe button, follow this channel, please like this video, this video, and also share with your audience, please, so people can know how to go do this. Okay, so we wait for it to load. I'm not touching anything here. So we have to look for swap MiniPepe. Yeah, that's it. Swap MiniPepe. You see it? So I click on it. You need to have your slippage, that's your gas fee, in your account before this can go through. Okay, so prices change. Yeah, prices change. Okay, so you need to have your gas fee before this can go through. Okay guys, so you can swap up to, just like we have it here, you can swap up to, in order to prevent excessive market volatility and help maintain the security of investors. Swaps of below or above 250 million MiniPepe tokens are not allowed. A single withdrawal should be in excess of 950 million. You understand? So right here, I do not have MiniPepe tokens. I think what I have in my wallet is the airdrop version, which is yet to be activated. But if you have MiniPepe, maybe possibly the initial coin offer, and or any other one that like you bought and you want to swap, that you can easily use this medium to swap it. Once from here, you can see that the gas fee is 61.84. Normally you can just exit and come back, or change or try at another time of the day to see if you can get a lower gas fee. Okay, so with that, I think you should be good to go. So this basically is how you swap your MiniPepe, and then once the swap goes through, you just have to wait for like about an hour or so to receive your swapped value. in your wallet. So guys, thank you very much. I hope this helps. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe to this channel, and then let's keep the ball rolling. All right, bye.